Hey y'all, Irix Guy here, and I've been using this shredder for many years. Absolutely love it. And you can find it, just expand this video's description and click the link there. But several people ask, hey man, how do I remove a jam in this shredder? And actually it's really easy. So just to recap, this is a 6 sheets maximum. So what I'm going to do is jam it up. I got some junk mail here, and I'm going to try to jam it up and demonstrate it for you. Uh-oh, it's stuck. It is stuck. So what do I do, man? Actually, it's really simple. You go from auto to reverse. See now, and then I can put it back to auto. But when I do, I'm not going to put this many pages through because this is really thick paper. This exceeds 6 sheets. So what I'll do, and just to demonstrate here, so I'll take this other piece of junk mail. I hate junk mail, man. Absolutely do. I hate it. So I'm going to take this other piece of junk mail, and just, this is a standard envelope, so it's basically like 2 pieces of paper. So see, now when I run it through, everything will run through fine. So just be sure if you're shredding like I'm doing with junk mail, especially if you've got thicker envelopes, just take it out and make sure that you're not passing 6 or more pages through. And then also, if it does get stuck, you know, like I just demonstrated, just kick it over to R, which is reverse. You'll probably be able to pull it out, and you know, and then repeat. You know, like I'm doing now. I'm going to shred some more junk mail. See, all that junk. So tell me what you think within the comment section below, and be sure to subscribe. YouTube.com/Irix Guy. And if you're shopping for a shredder, I highly recommend this one, and you can expand this video's description and then click the link there to find where to order it online. I've been using it for several years. It works great. Y'all have a good one.